Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the site cookies in Edge app on iPhone. So clearing the site cookies will delete you or sign you out of your logged in account. So make sure you know this information. So now to delete or clear the site cookies, what you can do is you can tap on these three bar options and go to settings, and within the settings you have this privacy and security. Choose that, and at the very first you would be able to see this clear browsing data option, and here you have this option to choose the cookies and other site data. Just enable checkbox for that, and from here the time range you can choose what time you want to delete the cookies for. So if I have chosen all time and I have selected the cookies and other site data, once it is done, then tap on this clear now command and confirm. So once you have selected these options, the cookies will be deleted from your browser. Apart from that, you can also customize the cookie settings where you can allow or block the cookies. So for that, go to this same privacy and security options, and here you have this cookies menu where it will offer you the option whether to block all cookies or you want to block the cookies for particular third-party websites and some other options. So based on your selection, the cookies will be allowed or blocked for all the websites. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.